fresh out of the womb, I'm watching Coco Melon. Got my snack in hand, open mouth coughing on my mom. Then she says, I'll take your iPad away. I say, woman, if you do that, you won't live to see another day. I'll throw a tantrum, goo goo gaga gee. Use your money to invest in Bitcoin and move out before I'm 3. I already got a job in the tech industry, cause I'm an iPad baby, and you should fear me. Subway Surfers, Roblox 2, eyes are bloodshot, power through. Mommy, I think that my iPad just died. Did you forget to charge it? Because if you did, I'm gonna cry.